Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an object onto your photo on Snapseed. So let's get started right away. Now if you wish to add any object, then first you will need to download a backgroundless image of this object. Open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in png3.com, and from this website you can simply search for the object that you wish to add. And when you download this image, it will download a version without a background of this object. Once you have downloaded this image, open up the Snapseed application on your device and then tap on the plus icon to proceed with opening the image within which you wish to add this object. Once you open your desired image, you will be taken into the edit menu. From this page, tap on Tools and then scroll down and tap on Double Exposure. You can now tap on the plus image icon in order to choose the image that you wish to add as the object. Once the image has been added, you can adjust more settings such as the overlay and the opacity. Tap on the tick mark once you're done editing, and now you can tap on the export button to export your image with the added object. And there you have it. That is how you can add an object to an image on Snapseed. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.